Hi. Welcome to Financially Smooth BD. I am Paul. In this video we are going to discuss about accounting. Now, what is accounting? Accounting is the information system that consists of three basic activities that identifies records and communicate the economic events of an organization to the interested users. Accounting is the financial information system that provides this insights. Now we would discuss about the history of accounting. The origin of accounting are generally attributed to the work of Luca Pacioli, an Italian mathematician collaborator with Leonardo da Vinci. He is called the father of accounting. In 1494 he wrote a huge mathematics encyclopedia and included an instructional section on double entry system. Double entry system is a method of recording transactions, where for every business transaction there have at least two accounts. One is debit, another is credit. Now we would discuss about the basic accounting equation. This equation is also called the balance sheet equation. A equal L plus E. Assets equals liabilities plus owners EQT. This is the simple equation of accounting. From this equation we would discuss more about assets, liabilities and owners' equity, and the correlation between them. That's all about today. Make sure to subscribe and click the bell icon for more updates about accounting, finance and economics videos. Thank you for watching.